The way we meet people and exchange ideas has changed. The current situation has transformed the way we interact. Whether you had to cancel an event because of the COVID-19 crisis, or maybe because you need to connect with your clients, or simply you want to adapt your meetings to the new era, virtual events are here to stay. Scito has been organizing worldwide events for over a decade. These last months, we've transformed scientific conferences into virtual events, connecting people from all over the world. Now, we are offering our conference management services to your company or research group. We plan tailor-made events structured according to your needs. Scientific conferences, webinars, networking events, product demonstrations for companies, and conventions for organizations. Share your idea with us and we'll make it happen. Virtual meetings will allow you to connect with your customers while maintaining your profits. Contact us and discover how we can help you in creating a successful online event.